Hi students, let's see how to generate trigonometric ratios for standard angles. So first let's list the angles that we're going to generate. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degrees, 60 degree, and finally the 90 degrees. So let's list all the trigonometric ratios that we're going to generate. The first one is sine theta, the next is cos theta, the third is tan theta. Now comes the derived ratios. Sine theta is inverse, that is the cosecant theta. Next is the secant theta, and finally the cot theta. So the first thing that we have to remember is the first row alone, let's memorize it and reproduce. All the other rows we can generate from there. So first for 0, you start from 0, go up till 1. So from 0 degree to 90 degree, I filled both the corners. Now let's fill the middle. So this is going to be 1 by 2, this is 1 by root 2, and finally root 3 by 2. Once you know this particular row, we will generate all other rows. So let's see what to do for cos theta. I'm simply going to reverse the order of writing it. So here I'm going to write from the right side to this side. So this is 1. So this is root 3 by 2. Since this is middle value, it is 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and finally 0. Now for tan theta, I'm going to divide 0 by 1 is 0. Then 1 by 2 divided by 1 by root 3 by 2 is 1 by root 3. This will be 1. This will be root 3. And finally 1 divided by 0 is infinity. Now for cosecant theta, simply flip the sine theta. So 1 by 0 is infinity. This is 2. This is root 2. This is 2 divided by root 3. And finally 1 by 1 is 1. Now for secant theta, I'm going to flip the cos theta. 1 by 1 is 1. Now I'm going to flip this. So this is 2 by root 3. This flipping is root 2. This flipping is just 2. And 1 by 0 is infinity. As far as cot theta is concerned, simply reverse the tan theta values from right to left. So this side was infinity. Next comes the root 3, then the 1. This is 1 by root 3. And finally the 0. Table is generated from just the first row. See you in another interesting video. Bye.